In this video lesson, I am going to show you how to make this cute little pig out of a clay. Things we are going to need: a clay which comes in a bag like this. This is a air drying water based clay. We use this clay to make a clay model of a pig. And we need water in a bowl and a sponge to clean our hands. And we need a pencil as a tool and a cotton cloth to clean our hands again. So let's get started. Let's make a bigger shape of a pig, which is a body. To make a body, take a clay out of a bag. Take clay only so much, how much ever you can handle. And we need to make a perfect ball. Before making a perfect ball, we need to clean our hands. Now I will show you how to clean our hands. Take a sponge, squeeze the water out, and make sure very little water is in the sponge, and wipe out the clay on your hands. Don't dip your hands in the bowl and then try to wash, and make sure very little water stays on your hands, which keeps it moistured. And now take a ball and roll in between your hands and try to make a perfect spear. And if there are any dents and cuts, you can merge like this and make it neat. And roll it. Perfect. And we need a little lengthier shape for a body. To make that, hold it in your left hand with your right palm. Just by rolling it 2-3 times, we stretch the ball a little bit. That's it. You can hit 2-3 times on a table to make it flat at the bottom. Now the next stage, we need to make 4 tiny legs. To make 4 tiny legs, make 4 equal size of clay pieces about this size. Make sure all are equal in size. And now this is the time to clean our hands. Take a sponge out of a bowl. Squeeze it. Only taking a wet sponge. We need to wipe the dirty clay, dried clay out of our hands. And take a clay with the wet hand, roll it to make it soft and neat. And we are going to stick these 4 legs at the bottom of the body. Take the body and mark the position where we are going to attach those 4 legs. One here, one here, one here, one here. So forelegs are going to go on all these places. So before attaching, notice that if there is a glue on this, you can attach. If there is no glue, add a little bit of a water and roll it. Roll it until the water goes inside the clay. Mixture of a clay and a water makes it sticky, and attach it. You do the same for all 4 of them. Take a very little water and roll it until water goes in the clay, becomes sticky, and attach it. The other leg, the last part, and from inside you can merge it with your finger, or you can take a pencil and you need to join it this way. So that it holds, the body holds this part properly. And keep it this way. And now you can decide whichever side you want to make a face of a pig. Let's make a face this side and a back this side. To make a face, we need to make a snout of a pig. To make a snout, take a small amount of clay, about this much. Keep it in that spot and notice that how big it is, small or big. We need to visualize the next stage now itself to decide the size of a clay. I feel it is little big. I'll reduce the size. This much is fine. Make a perfect ball. Make sure your hands are clean. There is a little bit of water, and roll it to make a perfect ball. Before attaching there, roll it a little bit this way to make oval shape and press it. Holding on your left hand with your right thumb, you need to press it for 3-4 times and make sure it is little thick. Don't make it too tiny and thin. Since I notice here there is a stickiness on it, I will stick by pressing it like this. The next stage is eyes and eyebrow and ears. Let's make eyebrow first. Take a small piece of a clay, keep it on the body and notice the size matches. Yes, this would be the perfect size for a eyebrow. Take it out. Before rolling it, make sure your hands are clean. Don't ever let your hands dry and dirty. If there is too much water on your hands, take a cotton cloth and wipe little water out of your hands. And now take piece of a clay and roll it in between your fingers make a small cylinder and place it over there and attach it this way, and we'll make two tiny eyeballs. Make sure the size matches. Don't make too big, don't make too little. About this size. Before attaching, make sure there's a glue in it. There's no glue. Since I rolled it for many times, the clay has dried. So we need little glue to make it sticky. We add a very little bit of water. Don't attach this when there is a water on it. Make sure water goes inside the clay by rolling it for some time and it has a stickiness. Take a very little water on your fingers and do a finishing touch. And now let's make ears. To make ears, let's take two small clay pieces which are equal in size. About this much, and we need to make them a cone, and before that we have to clean our hands. You must clean your hands this way. Make sure a very little water stays and keep it clean and moistured. Let's make cones. You can make cone by rolling it between your fingers like this. And pressing it from here. One this side. And do the same thing to other here. On that side. And now we are going to modify that. Very simple. Take the cone and press it with your fingers. Do the same thing to the other one. Press it with your fingers. And attach it this way. Make sure before attaching it has a wetness and stickiness. You can leave it as it is, or applying a very little water on your fingers. You can reshape it this way, pressing little and bending a tip of the ears like this. It looks much better now. Yes, we are almost done. We'll make a tail. Making a tail is very simple. Take a small piece of a clay and roll it to make a coil this way, and attach one edge, join it properly and twist it there. And you can do a finishing touch. We are almost done. Let's make a nostril in a snout of a pig. Take a pencil. We're going to use a back side of a pencil to make a deep depth there. Before making a depth there, we need to wet our pencil. If our pencil is dry, try to put a mark there. The clay will stick to a pencil, it will come out. To avoid that, wet a pencil a little bit by rolling on a sponge and make a mark, a very light mark. Initially, notice that the clay is coming out. So I will wet the pencil again and then make a mark. The clay stays neat. So there we want a nostrils. We will make little more deeper depth. And take a little bit of water on your fingers. Do a finishing touch. And we make a split in a hooves. Take a pencil, tip of a pencil, make it a little wet by rolling on a sponge. Make a line here. One line for this hoove, one line for this one. These two are front legs. Back legs, from this angle we have to make a mark. That's it. Our cute little pig is ready. Thank you so much for watching.